The Google Pixel 10 Pro is finally here, and let me tell you, this phone is not just an upgrade. It's a bold statement from Google, and if you're watching right now, you're about to discover why everyone is already calling it the smartest phone of 2025. Imagine holding a device that blends cutting-edge AI, stunning performance, and jaw-dropping design into one complete package. Sounds exciting, right? Well, stick with me till the end, because I've got a surprise reveal that will blow your mind, and you definitely don't want to miss it. So, let's dive into what makes the Pixel 10 Pro a phone you'll be talking about for years. First off, the Pixel 10 Pro is powered by Google's brand new Tensor G5 chip, and this is not just faster, it's smarter. With enhanced AI at its core, this chip doesn't just process data, it learns from you, adapting to your usage and predicting what you need before you even think about it. From super smooth multitasking to next-level gaming performance, this chip ensures you'll never face a laggy moment again. And speaking of smooth, the display is simply a visual treat. A massive 6.9-inch QHD+ OLED panel with a buttery 144 Hz refresh rate, making everything from scrolling your feed to watching movies an ultra-satisfying experience. The brightness has been boosted too, so even under direct sunlight, every detail shines crystal clear. But what truly sets the Pixel 10 Pro apart is the camera system. Google has taken its photography game to new heights with a triple lens setup featuring a 200MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 64MP periscope telephoto that delivers up to 10x optical zoom. Combine that with Google's unmatched AI processing, and you're looking at photos and videos that are so lifelike, they feel like memories captured in perfection. Night sight is even faster now. Portraits look studio-ready, and video stabilization is so good it feels like you're carrying a gimbal in your pocket. Now, let's talk about battery life, because power matters. The Pixel 10 Pro packs a huge 5,500 mAh battery that supports blazing fast 120W wired charging and 65W wireless charging, meaning you can go from empty to 100% in less than 25 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. And with AI-based power optimization, this phone actually learns your habits and extends your battery life by cutting unnecessary background usage. Performance, power, and smart efficiency all rolled into one. But wait, here's where things get interesting. The Pixel 10 Pro isn't just a phone, it's your personal AI assistant reimagined. Google has integrated advanced AI tools that can generate text, summarize emails, edit photos magically, and even create personalized daily schedules based on your lifestyle. Imagine saying just a few words, and your phone crafts an entire plan for your day. That's how futuristic this feels. Now, you might be wondering about the design. Sleek, modern, and elegant are the best words to describe it. The Pixel 10 Pro features a slimmer profile with a titanium frame, matte glass back, and even IP69 water and dust resistance, making it as durable as it is stylish. Security is also a big win, with Google's Titan M3 chip and 7 years of software updates, which is longer than what most flagship phones can promise. And here comes the part you've been waiting for, the launch date. The Google Pixel 10 Pro is expected to hit the shelves in October 2025, perfectly timed to compete with Apple's iPhone 17 Pro and Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra, and honestly, it looks like Google is ready to dominate the competition. But here's the twist. Rumors suggest Google may also launch a secret limited edition variant with an exclusive AI feature only available to those who pre-order early, and that could change the entire smartphone game. So, are you ready to make the Pixel 10 Pro your next big upgrade? Because from what I've seen, this phone is not just the future. It's the future in your hands today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And here's your surprise. For those who watch till the very end, I'll be giving away a Pixel 10 Pro once it officially launches. So make sure you stay tuned and keep supporting the channel, because one of you could be the lucky winner.